Transcriptions. Our automated video transcription capability, provided by Amazon Alexa, offers a unique way to quickly and efficiently transcribe lengthy video sessions in a variety of languages. Browse through the transcribed text copy of the audio of each participant session and identify key moments and events without having to watch the entire session video. The transcription text is all time-stamped, so clicking anywhere on the transcription will take you to that timeline moment in the video, making finding key test moments easier than ever. How to generate transcription. To generate your transcription, select the study you want to get a transcription from. Then, click on the session option on the left panel menu. Here, all the session videos for this study will appear. Click on the box next to the study you wish to transcribe, and then click the button that says Request Transcription. Once the transcription is ready, you'll receive an email in your inbox letting you know. Once you receive the email, go to the transcription section again, and you will find a new button to the right of the session from which you requested the transcript. Now you can browse through the transcribed text for each activity or question, conduct searches of the text, jump to specific moments, and create annotations. You can also use the search bar to look for specific terms in the transcription. All the terms will be highlighted, so you will know exactly where and how many times the specific term was used.
In moderated studies, Userlytics transcription goes a step further. It automatically identifies and labels both the moderator and the participant, making your analysis much easier.
Now that you've learned how to create transcriptions, you'll be able to effortlessly manage your video sessions and gain insights like never before. Explore more of our videos to discover additional tips and tricks to master the art of usability testing with Userlytics.